Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey. And today I'd like to talk to you about a garden answer to our garbage crisis that we're having here in America. It's not reported too much on TV, but a lot of our recycling now is going to the landfill, and it's still having a problem because we used to ship a lot of our recycled material. We never really used it too much in the United States. We always used to ship it to China on return containers going back to China. Now, I have evidence of this through a HBO special called Vice News that I was able to watch in the last month or so, and I'll put a link below describing the information about that, and you can watch that. But it gives you an idea how much material that we ship overseas, and now China is not taking that anymore. And now, so I come up with a little bit of a garden answer to how we can use at least a cardboard in cardboard gardening. Now, we use a lot of material here in the United States, but we can help this and solve our garden answering problems to a lot of things by using cardboard. And I'll be doing a lot of things. I'll be just composting cardboard and building healthy soil with it. You can even use pizza boxes. Since you are having food in there and it's not covered, that dye is not going to hurt you. That is a food grade material that's on there, and it will not hurt you. So we're going to be planting up some romaine lettuce. The other things we're going to be using is some used coffee grounds. And then we can plant, also I'll show you, plant seeds directly into the soil. And then I have a small invention here that is this large rectangle with the hoops on top. And that is just going to make everything look nice and sturdy and keep that cardboard from flying away. And I will be going over this in a full one-year garden series from this October 2018 to October of 2019, bringing you along and showing you how all this can be done just simply using cardboard and a couple of 2x4s and all the other materials like the seeds and the coffee grounds, and you'll have a nice beautiful garden with a lot of productive organic food coming out of it. So I hope you join me in my venture. And make sure to check out the link below when you have a chance to check out about the video by Vice News on HBO about our garbage crisis. And if you have any other information that you've seen, please send me those links. I would love to enjoy watching them, and let me know your opinion about using cardboard or if you have used it before. And hopefully in the new invention here I have, that's a good DIY project for a weekend. It's only going to take you about maybe a total of 15 minutes to assemble it. It's an easy project, but you will enjoy using cardboard because it will look nice and neat. And if you give me a moment or two, I'm just going to open up those boxes and give you a sample idea what it would look like. Here I'm giving you a brief insight about how easy it is to use this by just applying the cardboard right on the surface of your soil, and you'll have instant weed control. And then we can plant and just cut holes right into that cardboard, plant our romaine lettuce or direct seed. And also too, that we can easily move this around from year to year. We have also a hoops there that we can put plastic on top to keep our plants frost free, and we can also use insect netting. And I'm glad to have brought this up. I don't know of any other gardening channel that has made this kind of hoop design, but if you see it something, let me know. But again, I think this is going to work. And the best thing is it looks nice and neat, easy to use, and very affordable. Of course, it's less than $20 worth of material there, minus the hoops. And that includes about 32 square feet. It's 4 feet across and 8 feet long. So again, please join me in my quest of doing a full year of using cardboard and gardening for a garden answer. And we will see you shortly. Thanks for watching always, and always good to see you. If you can, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe so you keep in touch with me and all my new videos. Thanks.